It's Rachel with WTI, and GABA by now is a great supplement I love taking when I'm traveling.
I find that when I'm traveling, it's hard to get onto a normal sleep schedule, and GABA helps me do that. I'll take one in the evening, and I find that it makes it a lot easier just to get to sleep and have a good night's sleep. These capsules are normal size capsules. They're super easy to take. It's 750 milligrams, and I'll usually just take one or two when I'm traveling. And I really do find that it helps to give me a good night's sleep. These don't have any taste or anything like that. I personally have noticed that they've helped for me, and I do wake up feeling nice and refreshed in the morning. So if you're traveling and having a hard time getting on your current sleep schedule, I've found that GABA has really helped me to do that.
So if you happen to be traveling and you're looking for a supplement to help you get a good night's sleep, I would recommend GABA. I think it's really good by now, and that's my point of view.